All right, I'm gonna shut my mouth now, so stay tuned and watch what happens.
Hey there, sir. The DUI checkpoint, you have your driver's license? I like your jacket. Anything to drink tonight?
I invoke my Fifth Amendment right to remain silent.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
I invoke my Fifth Amendment right to remain silent.
This is a DUI checkpoint, sir. I'm just asking if you had anything to drink tonight. I can see that your eyes are very watery. Sir, put your car in park. All right, I'm having you step out of the car, okay? So put your right hand on the back of your head. Use your left hand, unbuckle the seatbelt, okay? And then can you unlock the car?
I don't consent to any searches or seizures.
I'm not searching your car. I'm making sure that you're safe to drive.
Can I bring my phone with me?
What was that?
Can I bring my phone with me?
Can you do what?
I want to bring my phone with me.
You want to bring your phone with you?
Yes.
You can put it in your pocket, but you can't call anybody.
Can I hold it?
Huh?
Can I hold it?
No. Put it in your pocket.
I'll leave it there.
Everything's being recorded.
Well, you don't hand that over, though.
What was that?
Are you ready for me to exit the vehicle?
Yeah, I'm ready. But your door is locked.
It's not locked.
Huh?
It's not locked.
I'm gonna pat you down and make sure you have no weapons on you, okay?
I don't consent to any searches or seizures.
I'm not searching you. I'm patting you down, making sure you have no weapons for my safety. Okay? All right, step out.
Fucking tyrants. Holy shit, did you see that? Was that all on camera? Wow.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. What was that? Can you do what? Huh? What was that? Huh? Can you do what? What was that? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. What was that? Can you do what? Huh? What was that? Huh? Can you do what? What was that? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. What was that?